We made it to Mkomazi in Tanzania and I got a flu. I'm having a sore throat now. I'm really having a very rough voice. And if you remember very well, we came with the bikes when they were new, like they were like 2 weeks old, and we had not even broken the engine. So our bikes have been able to be like 1,000 kilometers. Like this one has it has 1,083 about there. And it's now time to do a service, our first service, and Lefe will be doing the service. I will be just a baby girl sitting and clapping for him. That is all I'm doing today. With all the flu, I just take a break, okay? What is that for?
Take out the old oil. I think if you do that and that, take all of this.
They say necessity is the mother of invention, and really, he is inventing. It's coming out. Normally, is the oil color black?
Not
when it's new?
When it is new, there is not black.
Which color?
A little bit brown, the normal is. But the oil looks good.
Good?
Yeah.
Not so bad?
No.
We could have left it.
No, you should do that in service on this kilometer.
Okay. You need to clean it like that?
Yeah, I was stupid and have it there and so I put sand over there. I put the oil plug there. Shit.
We did not carry a funnel, so it needs to be really precise. I cannot do this. I shake so much.
Here you see the oil is brown.
I see nothing.
You don't see that?
During the oil change, you put 1.5 liters of new oil after you've taken the old oil, and we will be using the old oil in the clutch. We will come and put some oil here. Where is the clutch? Here.
Oil in the clutch wire.
Why is it so important to put oil on a clutch wire?
Hold. Much better holding. Hold. Is it in English? Hold better.
Hold better, or it reduces friction.
Yeah. Exactly.
So it's going to reduce the chances of the wire cutting.
You can have the wire a longer time if you have oil in there. It's oil.
Oil applicator.
The oil from the engine. Because we have more new oil. So we use this. So they go down.
You heard it from the expert. If you want your clutch wire to give you more service, to be more durable, lubricate it. lubricate your clutch wire. We learned that from some lady, lovely lady with a black Tekken. I've forgotten your name. Please, lovely lady, if you watch this video, please comment. You educated us on that day. One bike is ready?
Yes, one bike is ready.
Okay, come for the other one. Today we only did the oil change and lubricate the chains, not so much, and also lubricate the clutch wire. That is all we did today. We did not change the oil filter because we felt it was quite soon to change the oil filter, and that is it. Nothing much. It's starting to get dark here, and it's good that we are soon done. The second bike is almost finished. I never knew that doing a service can be this easy, honestly. I'm getting to learn every day. You know, every day is a learning time, and if you've learned something today about a basic service on your bike, especially if you have a power Tekken bike, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment so that we can know that you're with us, and follow our journey. We hope we are going to the South Cape, and at the moment I'm shooting from Tanzania from this lodge called Mkomanzi. Peaceful country, lovely people in Tanzania. I promise you, Tanzania is a rider's paradise. The landscape is amazing. The people are nice. The mountains, let me not even talk about it. Visit Tanzania, and if you cannot visit Tanzania, just watch my videos and like. Okay? Up to next time. Bye.